Hello friends, let's learn colors. The dog is red. Look, he found a red apple. The dog is blue. Look, he found a blue boot. The dog is yellow. Look, he found a yellow banana. The dog is green. Look, he found a green bone. The dog is orange. Look, he found an orange. The dog is pink. Look, he found a pink piggy. The dog is purple. Look, he found a purple car. The dog is brown. Look, he found some brown chocolate. The dog is white. Look, he found a white snowman. The dog is black. Look, he found a black hat. Great job! Goodbye, friends!